Welcome to Review Lab. The best outdoor foam cushion inserts is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for transforming your outdoor seating into a haven of comfort and style, offering a plush foundation that elevates your patio furniture from merely functional to luxuriously inviting, ensuring that every moment spent outdoors is a delightful experience whether you're lounging with a book, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the fresh air, making them a crucial investment for any homeowner looking to maximize their outdoor living space. Number 5. AK Trading Upholstery High Density Foam. Experience superior comfort and support with our premium upholstery foam. It's CertiPUR-US certified, offering the perfect balance of firmness and softness for any seating need. This foam is perfect for a wide range of projects, from sofas and chairs to benches. Its generous dimensions ensure a comfortable seating experience for any furniture. Proudly made in the USA, our foam is crafted with state-of-the-art processes for consistent, high-quality results. It's designed to withstand daily use and provide lasting performance. Rest assured, our foam is free from harmful chemicals and low in VOC emissions. It meets stringent standards for safety and durability, making it a great choice for your home or business. Customize your seating solutions with ease. This foam is simple to cut and shape, allowing for precise fits and stylish finishes for any upholstery project. What we like. This foam offers premium quality and safety with its CertiPUR-US certification. Its high density provides excellent support and comfort, making it ideal for frequent use. If you are looking for a durable and safe option for both home and commercial furniture, this is a great choice. What people say. High quality foam. This cushion is dense, firm, and holds its shape perfectly, ideal for seat replacements and upholstery projects. The foam is dense enough to hold its shape, comfortable to sit on and easy to cut and use for a simple recover project. 44 pounds, density of 1.8 is a firm cushion. Used as an addition to RV dining table filler for sleeping. It is firmer than the existing cushions that came with the RV, which I am guessing are 4-inch 35 pounds, density of 1.8 as you hit bottom when sitting on them, but you do not bottom out with this 44 pounds, density of 1.8 cushion. Number 4. Couch Cushion Support Set. Is your favorite sofa losing its shape and comfort due to sagging cushions? We have the perfect solution to bring back its original glory. Our innovative support system is designed to target and eliminate couch cushion sagging. Simply place it under your drooping cushion for immediate, stable support. No tools or complicated steps are needed. This support restores your sofa's shape in seconds, offering a hassle-free way to revive your furniture. Crafted from premium 40D high-density foam, it provides excellent resilience and long-lasting reinforcement without stiffness or slippage. Measuring 20x20x2, it fits most sofas and chairs seamlessly. Its curved design allows for easy modification to ensure a perfect fit for your furniture. Arriving vacuum-sealed, it regains its original shape within 24 hours. For best results, follow our simple restoration tips if needed. What we like. This product is designed to specifically address sagging couch cushions, restoring stability and comfort. Its quick and easy installation means no tools are needed to revive your sofa's shape in seconds. If your couch cushions are drooping and you need a simple, effective fix, this is the solution for you. What people say. This solved all these issues. Have not tried it on a regular cushion as I don't need it, but seems like it'll work fine on that as well. Just make sure your cushions are slightly bigger than the foam. Works great for under couch cushions. Comfortable. No show. Affordable and sturdy. These made a great improvement for my back and bum under my Love seat cushions. I have been very uncomfortable and finally realized that my Love seat recliners needed extra support underneath. Once I received them, I opened each cushion package and they revived immediately. I have each one under a cushion. It's like my Love seat was revived. There is a slight height gap difference, but it's hardly noticeable. My back and bum are happy again. Number 3. Foamma Medium Density Outdoor Cushion Replacement. Upgrade your patio furniture with our premium medium density foam cushions. Experience exceptional comfort and lasting support for years to come. Crafted for durability, these cushions are designed to maintain their firm support for an impressive 7 to 10 years. Proudly made in the USA, our foam replacement cushions offer quality you can trust. Measuring 4 inches by 18 inches by 20 inches, these cushions provide a perfect fit for most patio furniture. Invest in lasting comfort and support with our medium-density foam. It's the ideal solution for refreshing your outdoor seating. What we like. This foam is specifically designed for outdoor patio furniture, offering durable and comfortable support for 7 to 10 years. Its medium density ensures a good balance of firmness and comfort. If you need a reliable replacement cushion for your outdoor seating that will last through many seasons, this is an excellent option. What people say. Nice and dense, makes for a comfy sit in my rocking chair. They are super comfortable and firm. I like that you could measure and get the size you want. The thickness is way cool, firm but comfortable. It's water resistant so can be kept out in the elements, which makes the big boy even more functional. Number 2. Classic Accessories Square Patio Lounge Seat Cushion Foam. Introducing our durable patio cushion foam, measuring 25 inches wide, 25 inches deep, and 5 inches thick. It's built to last for your outdoor seating needs. Experience superior comfort and support with its unique 3-layered design. The outer layers provide a soft embrace, while the high-density core conforms perfectly to your shape. Each cushion features a spunbond foam lining, ensuring a clean finish and protecting the interior stuffing. This thoughtful construction adds to its overall durability. The durable fabric is designed to protect against harmful UV rays. This means your cushion will maintain its color and integrity, even with prolonged sun exposure. Crafted from a polyester blend, this cushion is made for longevity. Enjoy its comfort and style season after season. We stand behind the quality of our product with a 1-year limited warranty. Rest assured, your investment is protected. What we like. This cushion foam features a unique 3-layer design for optimal comfort and support, with an outer layer of open cell foam and a high-density core. It also offers protection from harmful UV rays. If you're seeking a comfortable, supportive cushion for your patio lounge that comes with a warranty for peace of mind, this is a solid pick. What people say. The foam is dense and holds its shape well, providing excellent support. The water-resistant fabric has held up great against spills and light rain. The cushion insert is the perfect size for my outdoor bench, fitting snugly without any gaps. Number 1. LUVFABRICS Outdoor Premium Upholstery Foam. Introducing our premium quality foam, perfect for all your outdoor furniture needs. It's designed for durability and comfort. This foam features advanced dry-fast technology, ensuring it stays fresh and ready for use, even in damp conditions. Say goodbye to long drying times. With a medium density of 1.5, it provides the ideal balance of support and softness. Enjoy lasting comfort on your patio or boat. Its versatility makes it ideal for marine applications, patio furniture, and even car cushions. It's built to withstand the elements. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust in the superior craftsmanship and quality of this upholstery foam. It's an investment in lasting comfort. Each sheet measures 24 inches wide by 72 inches long, providing ample material for your upholstery projects. Get the size you need for a perfect fit. What we like. This foam is a versatile option suitable for outdoor furniture, boat cushions, and car seats, with a dry-fast feature. Its medium density provides a comfortable feel. If you need a foam that can handle various outdoor environments and dries quickly, this is a practical choice. What people say. Good density, releases water. I would order 4-inch for patio furniture. You can find Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.